Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy Finance channel, where we make financial education easy to understand for everybody. Today, we're going to talk about a simple but powerful rule that can help you manage your money better. The 50-30-20 rule. Have you ever felt like you don't know where your money goes every month? Do you struggle with saving? Or maybe you just want a better way to organize your finances? Well, the 50-30-20 rule is an easy method that can help you spend wisely, save consistently, and still enjoy life. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to apply this rule to your own budget and take control of your finances. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. It really helps the channel grow and allows more people to learn about smart money habits. Now let's dive in. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting system that helps you manage your income in a smart and balanced way. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things you must pay for to survive. 30% goes to wants, things you enjoy but can live without. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment, securing your financial future. This method makes budgeting super easy because it divides your money into 3 clear categories. Let's break it down further so you can see exactly how to apply it. Step 1. Allocate 50% of your income to needs. Your needs are the things you must spend money on each month to live and work. These are essential expenses, meaning you can't really cut them out. Examples of needs: rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, internet, groceries, transportation, gas, public transport, car insurance, minimum debt payments like credit card bills or student loans, health insurance and medical expenses. Example: let's say your monthly income is $3,000 after taxes. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you should spend no more than $1,500 on needs. If you find that your needs take up more than 50% of your income, you may need to make adjustments, like downsizing your home, using public transportation, or finding better deals on bills. If this makes sense so far, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's move to the next category. Step 2. Allocate 30% of your income to wants. Your wants are things that make life more enjoyable, but they're not essential to survive. Examples of wants: eating out at restaurants, streaming services, Netflix, Spotify, etc., shopping for clothes, gadgets, or home decor, gym memberships or hobbies, vacations and travel, going to the movies or concerts. Example: if your monthly income is $3,000, then you can spend up to $900 on wants. However, be careful. Many people overspend on wants and struggle with savings. If you notice that you're spending too much on things like dining out or shopping, you may need to cut back and find cheaper alternatives. Smart tip: before buying something, ask yourself, do I really need this, or do I just want it? If it's a want, make sure it fits within your budget. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your family, your friends, or anybody you think might enjoy it. Let's help more people build good financial habits. Now let's talk about the most important part: saving money. Step 3. Allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment. The last 20% of your income should go towards saving for the future and paying off debt. This is what will help you build wealth and achieve financial security. What to include in this 20%? Emergency fund, money set aside for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Retirement savings, contributing to a 401k, IRA, or another retirement plan. Investments, stocks, bonds, or other assets that grow your money over time. Extra debt payments. If you have loans, paying more than the minimum can help you become debt-free faster. Example: if your income is $3,000 per month, you should be saving at least $600 each month. Why is this important? Because saving and investing are the only ways to ensure financial freedom. If you don't save, you'll always struggle with money in the future. Even if you can't save 20% right away, start with whatever you can. Even if it's just 5 to 10%, over time, as you earn more, increase your savings percentage. How to apply the 50-30-20 rule to your budget. Now that you understand the rule, let's see how you can put it into action. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. Look at your net income after taxes. This is the amount you actually receive in your bank account. Step 2. Divide your income into the 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Step 3. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend money on for a month. This helps you see where your money's really going. Step 4. Adjust where needed. If your needs are more than 50%, see where you can cut back. If you're spending too much on wants, reduce unnecessary purchases. If you're saving less than 20%, find ways to increase your savings. Step 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers so that 20% of your income goes directly into a savings or investment account. This way, you won't forget to save. Very important tip. Make sure these transfers happen immediately after you receive your income. This is the true meaning of paying yourself first. You pay yourself first and all other bills after. Let's quickly review what we learned today. The 50-30-20 rule helps you balance your budget in a simple way. 50% goes to needs like rent, food, and bills. 30% goes to wants like entertainment and shopping. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment to secure your future. You can apply this rule to any income level and adjust as needed. By following this simple budgeting system, you'll be able to manage your money wisely, avoid debt, and build financial security over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This really helps the channel grow and reach more people who need financial education. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.